Okay.
Oh, I think
Hey,
this
Brahma.
What are your funny joke? Well, why did the chicken cross the road? Because it wanted to turn to a chicken nugget and go, you got the geek, yeah, all.
What is this, Prashu? What animal is this?
A zebra, I think.
Okay.
See, look at the speed in the back. Oh, it's already.
Oh, look at that.
It's really big.
Wow. How cool is that?
Ooh, trees.
Baobab. Boba.
Baobab.
Boba.
Hello.
It does not repeat the sound. Some sort of. I mean, all of the antelopes look pretty similar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sushi.
Wow. We're having a party together.
Ooh, wait, are they axes, those white antelopes?
Hello.
Side. Hillside.
Ooh,
We're chilling.
yep. And giraffe.
What is it? Oh, yeah.
There be rhinoceros also.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they are in front.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh, my rhinos are out in the open.
Hmm.
I thought they'd be behind the cave.
Looks so beautiful. Yeah. It did, yeah.
I see some
Oh, yeah. Yeah, far away.
Those are the biggest swans I've ever seen.
Nice frame.
Wait, I think still here, I think.
Camping deer. Oh, so many. Look.
What a nice shot.
I think that's what my dad.
as we tour around Water Safari Lake. They are excellent fishermen as they do have long featherless legs. And on the right hand side, up on the wooden, our true spider monkeys. We have the robust black spider monkey. His name is Flip. We have the black unit spider monkey. His name is Bieber.
Yeah?
Your guide as we tour around on the train. This is just a friendly reminder of the exceptional.
Tortoise. The tortoise.
All right, our next bird is going to be a North American species native to Ontario. Rounding that back corner will be Spud. There she is. Anybody know what she is? A turkey. All right. Don't be all too excited at once. Now Spud here might just be a turkey.
What you might notice about them are their bright, bold, and beautiful colors. Now these colors might stand out to us quite a bit here in Canada, however it actually helps them blend in very well because they're cute. Parrots have what are called zygodactyl. Fancy way to say that they have two toes facing forwards and two toes facing backwards. It allows them to have a very strong grasp on any branches and perches that they might be standing on.
Attention right away. And what do you think, my dear? Oh, just having a look at everyone.
No, and our scarlet macaw fever.
All right, they have lots to say, so let's get them started. So, right to the point, and Fernando, your greeting.
Hello!
The vets are out here, that's for sure. Now they do both know how to say their own names, so they'll be introducing themselves. Tell everybody your name. Squeaky Little Fever, and well, Fernando actually likes to go by his nickname, Nando. Okay, polite she is, because what's your question to ask?
How are you?
Oh, looks like everyone's having a good time out there. And Fernando is playful by nature. When he wants to play his favorite game, we always know because he gets our attention in this next way. Of course, he likes to be tickled, and when tickled, well, he laughs. What are you looking at now? All right, these guys have incredible eyesight. So, very important to stay hydrated while on safari. Sick with a cold and a cough. What did we sound like? As like talents like this, we can't deny it. We taught Fernando a few animal sound effects. Bottle Pig would be cute. This is a little bit rude, but we're not done yet. He can even bark like a dog.
Whoa.
Not sure he's going to be scaring anyone though. Now Fernando's obviously talented. He's very musically talented. He loves whistling, he loves singing, and his dance moves, pretty cute. Very lovely Fernando original. Thank you for that one. Happy to hear you enjoyed his whistling. Unfortunately. Okay, let's tune you in. I hope that helps. A bit of our national anthem there. Now, there's over 375 parrot species, but not a single one native to this country. The thing is, all these birds very proud to be Canadian. Let's hear that again, buddy. Beautifully done. Give it up for him today. There you go. Good big old African lion safari. And right here at African Lion Safari.